Hi everyone, today we will talk about migraine. Migraine can be irritated. People who suffer from chronic migraine always looking for a solution, but not all reach for natural alternatives to their drugs. Luckily, we have the best natural alternatives for migraine. Try this flavorful green juice and headache will never disturb you again. Stress is the leading cause of headache. However, many other factors can cause headache, including bad posture, poor diet, emotional tension, or environmental toxins. Most people often go to the pharmacy and use Tylenol to reduce their headache. We have a much safer solution for you. It will relieve your migraines and target the leading cause. This green juice is full of calcium and magnesium, the most potent minerals when it comes to preventing and relieving migraines. Green juices are excellent natural solution for migraines and can help you reduce headache fast. The reason is that it is easier for the nutrients to get to your bloodstream if you consume the ingredients in liquid form. You will feel some improvement in just a minute. Here is the recipe for one of the most effective natural migraines home remedies. Ingredients: 5 celery stalks, 1 lime, 1 cucumber, 3 to 4 cup leafy greens like spinach and arugula, 2 inches ginger, 1 cup parsley, 2 apples. Blend all the ingredients and your green juice is ready for use. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video.